We're going to show you how to play a game called Salut. It's a game that can help teach children to understand numbers and some operations. You'll need one deck of cards, but you'll need to take out the face cards for the younger children. If you're playing with older children, you may want to assign the face cards a numerical value. Two people will stand facing each other or sitting facing each other, holding half of the cards each. Without looking at it, each flips up a card from their deck and holds it facing towards a third person. In this case, that will be the camera. The third person says, and you are the camera, the sum, which is when you add the cards together, of your cards is, and then we'll have to guess. We'll have to guess which card that we're holding in our hand. So for example, I have a 5.
I have a 7.
Okay, but now I don't know Christy has a 7 and she doesn't know I have a 5. So the third person would say the sum of your two cards is 12. Now I know what my card is and she knows what her card is. So I would have to think, okay, Christy, you have a 7.
Alicia, you have a 5.
Let's try again. So the camera would say the sum of your two cards is 10.
Alicia, you have a 4.
And Christy, you must have a 6. I may say the difference of your two cards, which is a subtraction, is 2.
Alicia, you must have a 3.
And I could say, Christy, you must have a 1 or a 5. So that's where it gets kind of interesting. We could do the product, which is the multiplication. So the third person would say the product of your two cards is 12.
Alicia, you must have a 3.
And Christy, you probably have a 4. Variations of this game are complements of 10. This one only needs 2 people. So without looking at it, each holds up the card towards the other person. So partner A says, you are missing how many that makes 10?
You are missing 6.
So I say, my card must be a 4. Christy, you are missing 8.
So my card must be a 2. Alicia, you are missing a 7.
So my card is a 3. Christy, you are missing 9.
My card is a 1.
Another variation is called doubles. So one partner flips up the card without looking at it, and the other partner tells what the double is. So Christy, your double is 20.
I must have a 10.
Good.
Alicia, your double is a 6.
Oh, I must have a 3. Christy, your double is 18.
I must have a 9.
Now, as your child progresses, you could play triples or quadruples. You can make a lot of variations to this game. The goal is not to rush the kid. Don't rush your child. Let your child take their time and really think about it, because this isn't a race and it's not a competition. It's just to learn about numbers. And it's kind of fun.